What's good? Woo! It is hot in this helmet. The Gixxer is running a million times better right now. So one of the Bike Life guys, don't worry, my throttle's sticking. So when I let it go, it goes like that. I just gotta twist it and then. But one of the Bike Life homies, my spark plugs, I felt like my spark plugs were going bad because they were, and I went over to his house this morning and I told him what was happening, and he was like, you know what you should do? Get out the way. But we have like a 110 octane thing around where he lives, and he said just put like a little bit of that in there, fill it up with the regular gas, and put just a little bit of race fuel in. So I put half a gallon, and he said it would clean. He said it would clean the spark plugs, and it would, like, you know, it would just get the bike running right. And then he said, what you should do is you should go put that race fuel in, and then you need to go out and do like a couple of pulls and shit, and like beat on the bike a little bit. You know, just get it through the system. And then, like, cause my bike was having trouble starting up at one point, and so I put that race fuel in, and I ran it today, and then I took it home, shut it off. I went back out to start it, and oh my god, it started up like that. Because I just did an oil change, and I just did that. This thing is running. This thing is running healthier than ever. Hey, this thing is running healthier than ever. Oh my god, you couldn't even tell if this thing is almost at 32,000 miles. She's running good, man. Shout out to that. Shout out to Ben, man. Man, if you're watching this, shout out to you. It's a Wednesday. There's no car stuff going on today, but there is bike stuff, so we're in there. It's actually been a wonderful day today, but with Ohio weather, it's going to go back to raining. It's going to go back to raining here soon, and I'm not looking forward to it at all. At all. It feels like Florida right now in Ohio. It's summer, and it's like 80 degrees right now, but then next week is going to rain all week. Like, it doesn't make any sense. This isn't Florida. This is Ohio. Come on. Like, but yeah, this thing is, the throttle is sticking way hard. Because, like, if I just let the clutch go, it'll just go on its own. I hate it. I don't know what I should buy for it either. Like, I haven't really done my research yet, so. Yeah, guys, I actually cannot find my jacket. Don't make fun of me for wearing a shirt. I can't find my jacket, so I'm stuck with this. I got a long sleeve on. I wasn't gonna wear a hoodie. It's 85 degrees outside. I'll die in a hoodie. I thought I was in second. There we go. Hey. God, there's a lot of traffic. Oh yeah, she's breathing now. Yeah. Man, I love this bike. I got it, fixed the little stuff on it. I bought it for $3. I put about, I don't know, 1,500 into it already. With the fork seals and brand new tires and miscellaneous parts and oil changes and just overall cost of owning the bike. This probably cost me about $5,000. And I honestly am more than happy with my purchase, because I bought the bike for $3 out the door with 29K, and I've already put almost between 2,000 and 3,000 miles on it. So, but yeah, I love the bike. We're still recording, that's dope. I honestly love the bike, like I really do. This thing has treated me so well, and it turns. Oh shit, I was already in 6th gear. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, and this thing gets so many like head turns. Like everywhere I go, people are like, dude, that's sick, dude, that's sick, dude, that's sick. If you all ride, comment down below what you ride. I want to hear it. Just in case somebody that I don't know is watching this, I want to hear what you ride. Like, I want to know what you ride. What do you ride? And how do you ride? I ride a Gixxer 600, and I'm just street riding, just out and about after work and whatnot. And then my buddy, like some of my buddies are like, yeah, I got a Gixxer 1000 and I ride track only. It's just my track bike. And I got a Gixxer 600 and it's my street bike. Stuff like that. So yeah, comment down below. I want to hear what you're riding. Oh, it feels so nice out. It feels so nice out. You don't know how long I've been waiting for days like this. This girl can't even hear me, can she? She's got her earbuds in. Cops. Get her. Oh, God. Come on. You gotta get over again. I had to get away from the semi. Yeah, see, he had to get over, but he didn't want me to be there. See, I got a mutual connection with semis. We know what the deal is. I get out of your way, and then you get over. Whoa, why are you on my ass? Ah! Gotta miss the potholes. I love Columbus. Alright, are you really... Bro, why are you on my ass? I don't know why this guy's on my ass, but whatever. He's not about to keep up with me once I hit I-71, so I'm not really too worried about it. You're still on my ass. I'm about to dust this nigga. I love this bike. Yeah, this is but oh fuck you. I'll do wrong. Oh no, you can get her on the phone. If you need that you wanna hang, that you wanna hang, bang. Yeah, sure. Columbus Bike Life is up here. You know what I'm saying? We're all here rapping. Bike Life is up here, so.
2 hours later.
If this light could turn green, that'd be dope. That'd be nice. Oh, Lord. Oh, yeah. There he goes. I already saw his bike. Ow. Damn. I think I go this way. There we go, I see him. Yes, sir. Ah. Ah. pull that out. Could have went back a little further, but it's all good. But yes, sir. This is the homie Ben's Gixxer 1000, 2008, I'm pretty sure. I'll link his Instagram down below.
Hours later.
Alright, so we're gonna try to go in the rain. Do it. All right, I gotta catch up. Let's do it. Yeah, it's pretty wet over here. Ooh.